The Spanish LL. Here's a little guide about double L's in Spanish. A single L. In Spanish, when you see a single letter L, it is pronounced much the same as it is in English. Have a look at these words. Elefante. Elefante. It means elephant. Elefante. Canela. Canela. This means cinnamon. Canela. A double L. If you see a double L in Spanish, you should pronounce it like the letter Y. So, y, y. For example, look at these words. Paella. Paella means paella. Paella. Marbella. Marbella. Mallorca. Mallorca. Or ella. Ella, which means she. Ella. Now, the Y pronunciation is common all over the Spanish-speaking world. However, there is another way that you might hear it pronounced, especially in Latin America. You might hear it pronounced like the English letter J, so J, J. For example, paella, paella. So rather than paella, you might hear paella. Or rather than Marbella, you might hear Marbella, Marbella. Similarly, rather than Mallorca, you might hear Mallorca, Mallorca. Or instead of ella for she, you might hear ella, ella. Now you can choose which version you prefer. I always go with the Y pronunciation, simply because that's what I heard on a daily basis when I used to live in Spain. Let's practice. Let's practice pronouncing a few words in Spanish that contain a double L. Here are 10 Spanish words. How would you pronounce this first word? Llave, llave, and it means key, llave, or you might hear it pronounced llave, llave. What about the next word? Calle, calle, it means road, calle, or you might hear it pronounced calle, calle. How would you pronounce the third word? Lluvia, lluvia, it means rain, lluvia, or you might hear it pronounced lluvia, lluvia. The fourth word? Silla, silla, and it means chair, silla, or you might hear it pronounced silla, silla. The fifth word? Pollo, pollo, meaning chicken, pollo, or it could be pronounced pollo, pollo. What about the sixth word? Caballo, caballo. This means horse, caballo, or you might hear it pronounced caballo, caballo. How would you pronounce this next word? Lleno, lleno, meaning full, lleno, or you might hear lleno, lleno. The eighth word? Amarillo, amarillo. This means yellow, amarillo, or you might hear it pronounced amarillo, amarillo. How would you pronounce the ninth word? Llevar, llevar. It means to carry, llevar, or you might hear it pronounced llevar, llevar. And the final word? Collar, collar. It means necklace. Collar. Or you might hear it pronounced collar. Collar. If you found this video useful, please consider pressing the like button. Or as the Spanish say, el botón de me gusta. Or in fact they tend to say, dame un pulgar arriba, which means give me a thumbs up. Or you might even be so kind as to subscribe. Suscribirte, as it really helps this channel to grow and reach a wider audience. Gracias.